Hello guys, a new mining video. We explain some coins and some update for coins for 6p coins. This new one, a huge project from 6.io. It's a huge project. You must work on it. It's simple to work in this coin. The link will be in the description, also in the first comment of the video. Like you see, we have 100 tap daily. Like you see, we claim our 100 tap daily and we claim. That's all. We go to tasks, we do tasks. There is earn here, there is farm every 4 hours. Like you see, you claim every 4 hours to claim your 6p for free. It's a new project and a huge project from 6.io. It's a verified coin. You must work in it and get more coins as well as you can. This is our first bot. It's a huge, like I told you, a huge coin to work on it, work hard on this new coin. Also the list will be in the Telegram channel, all mining coin. Like you see, we claim our 6p coins. We go to farm, we claim every 4 hours our 6p coins. This is for the first coin. Let's go to other coin. It's first DAC coin. This coin will be converted into an FTN coin. FTN coin, one FTN coin, it's equal to $1. It's in the wallet of Bing X. Like I told you, it's simple. We click like that until this progress get 100%. After that it will gives you an egg. Every time it gives you 100, 1500 coins like that. This is very easy for this one. Like you see, I get my eggs. There is mission, you complete a mission if you want. There is booster. Here is the stats of the coin. There is total share balance, total player is there 312,000. Let's go to other coin. Like I told you, there is many huge project in this new coin is released. You must work and work hard. All link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video. This simple coin, like you see, it's farming the same every 8 hours. You click ink farming. Also it gives you 100 tap like that. There is tasks. Complete these tasks to get more coin for you. There is a booster, it will be coming soon. This is for SMPL coin. We go to other coin. There is many coin. All link will be in the description. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and share my video. This is a huge number of coins. The all link will be in description. There is also Mickey coin. It will be released soon. You can work and work hard in this coin. Like I told you, there is Core coin, Ego coin. The same principle. We enter the bot, we complete mission, we claim our coin every time to time. That's all. Bad connection, but it's work like I told you. There is a hamster coin, the link will be in description. Like you see, it's based on tapping. You tap here, you collect coins, you go to mine, you buy some offline coins from here. It will gives you an offline mining here. This for referral, this legal, this like you see. If you go to earn, you complete mission here and you daily login. Every day you login and it's repeat every 10 days until 5 millions for free. This for this one. There is an update for X Plus coin. I'll show you now. Excuse me, have bad connection, that's all. It's the same, but it changed the look. Same coin, it's just changing the look. Like I told you, it will appear. It will appear like that. You click in mining, you mine, you click here, return, we click in the middle. We complete this free mission every day to get 24 hours mining, and that's all. You will get 24 hours mining, that's all. All link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.